It's approximately 5 minutes coming up to the hour of 9 right here in London, England, UK time. This is the Upnlive show. We're here. As I said, it's a special show. This at the end of the year show. And we're just going to have a little fun and a nice time.
Yeah,
yes. And we have just introduce some artists, do some song. The way the song is meant to be done. We're just introducing the record, how it's actually recorded. Not just a little braffing and freestylist. We're doing it the right way, and then after we have like a Giant and John section after, right? So if you're just joining us, earlier on we had Ricardo Royal, also I Tuki, but now we have our next artist we're going to be introducing to our stage this evening. Jagger, no, you stay.
That your pick?
You know the thing going on, couple of him to do.
Hey! Pocket 12 fat, rocks by rocks, ice too cold, caption that. Fuck them gal, send them back. We lucky place, tell them feel like shot.
Sure.
Win, we a win. Yap them a yap.
Yeah.
Big fat Benz outside, man a rock. Put it on the gram. Caption that. No gal so you know a more option that man a top shooter, straighter than roller. We are on the blood clot place, go ask over. Get the money coming faster than scooter. And we are top gal, listen me was a little. Yo, I what do them youth ya? We are them shooter. Teach man, I teach them, get the computer. Gal, they are gun, they are, and we have the shooter. She give me this something when she got spot the Medusa. You feel like that? Shot caller. Money make a man a top baller. You see the chain but the link brother. And the current a kick we never left the charger. You see that black card, yeah? Make you buckle them, no stop harder. Tell Keisha, send fi caller. And the current a kick we never. You know, see that one you're out. That one you're out. For the ladies, them, you know? Tight something, them. Watch ya. She said me hurt it. You know what she said? Listen. So she run prof killer with the long love. She run prof killer with the long love. Don't tell you say your neighbor got heard this, cause we not ram when y'all forget service. She said she run prof killer with the long love. She run prof killer with the long love. Don't tell you say your neighbor got heard this, cause we not ram when y'all forget service. She said she want some of my stuff, so me give her the number for the WhatsApp. She ping me ask her what's up. She tell me if you come over for the fat stuff. And he come to girl, me not stalling. Jumping on me car, here I come, me darling. As me enter, she in a birthday suit. I take off my suit, but me staying on my boots. She say hands up, but me stand up. Oh, that girl I want make me go bank up. When she turn round and show me the fat stuff, tonight her belly I go cramp up. So she say she ram prof killer with the long love. She ram prof killer with the long love. Don't tell you say your neighbor got heard this, cause we not ram when girl forget. Hey, she say she ram prof killer with the long love. She ram prof killer with the long love. Look how me switch it up on them. Listen. Be my body there for your Benz punani girl. One for me, like you there the carnival. Shut up and wet up, but this is nothing on me now. Me no name Ken, but you want me Barbie doll girl. Riding like a Brodia, climbing like a Paulina. Up and down a granny girl. She said rough it up so you know where me down. She said she ram prof killer with the long love. She ram prof killer with the long love. Don't tell you say your neighbor girl this cause we no ram when girl forget. Say she ram prof killer with it, no. She ram prof killer with it, killer with it.
Malana session, yes. Yes.
I remember I say caption that out up on the YouTube, you know, so people need to view it.
Make sure you do the right thing, right? Scene. And the first track he did was
caption that featuring Style G.
Okay, yeah, and the long rough killer with it. I'm a backup singer for me tonight. You know where I go?
You know, no, the ramp rough thing.
Yeah.
You know how my song, you know, cause you know.
The ladies,
no, me not play soft, you know. Ramp rough in, I go on, you know.
Of course.
Right.
Right, of course, definitely. If you're just joining us, welcome to the show. Welcome to the Upnlive show. With us introducing to you the artist that's been supporting us throughout the years, especially for 2020. With us introducing some of their new songs and materials that they're working on right now. Just joining us, we just had Reson8, and he's going to be back with us in a short little while. And the 2 songs that he did, they're out now on all various platforms, so you can go and support that, okay? Yes, I like how the show is moving, real nice and smooth, and we say it's an introduction. We just make you know what's really popping tonight. We just share the love, right? And we not waste the time, because we have our next artist. We go introduce again. And everything go right. Jog, I know you stay.
Lion attack and a dog back. When they say straight into it.
Introducing Beenie G.
Alright, girl, move your hand from your jaw. Yeah. So, hold on. Pull up. Can I swear?
You can swear.
I can swear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Me have to check.
Swear to
Dragon,
God.
pick up yourself. DJ Eric. Bro, that's alright. Move your hand from your jaw. Yeah, slap up your body jaw. Use my cocky, split up me your pum jaw. A them style that you want, watch ya. Hey girl, when you want, sit ya, come on. Yeah, then hey girl, come sit down, girl, see the cocky, yeah. Alright, when you shake your bumper or something fine. See that and a pre-say a hunting time, yeah. Dance a girl, make me bust this rhyme. Man a gully, but me have to say a thumping time. Girl, your body spectacular. Man a pre, you choose scope and binocular. Now bite your nose, a man and a Dracula. No. Come a girl, lion love, make you happier. Watch you now, wind up and climb on my body and move your waistline. Love how you shake it a little and back it up and jiggle invertebrate chinana. Tell a girl wind up and climb on my body and move your waistline. Love how you shake it a little and back it up and jiggle invertebrate chinana. Yo, Rick, yeah, them girl make me. Oh,
You seen?
Lion attack.
And a dog back, right?
Next in line,
Beenie G, live in studio, right?
live in studio.
Of course.
I'm here say the one your name Zoom Flow, but you see like how I can swear?
Yeah.
I can say pum flow, right?
Which is right.
Watch out. Yeah, that one your name pum this, pum that. Be a girl me got and them pum fat. No girl can't take me for no pum. Or not tell any girl this mama that get a pum slap. Girls, reggae, me like them a lot. Me and the girl exercise for a pum. I me no pum claffy, me no pum brat. Pum want beef kita. Catch a pre, me own money take out a pum loan. Doctor say me sick pum syndrome. Have a computer and me have a phone. Make a call, get pum dial tone.
Yeah.
Pum the yard, pum the room.
Yeah.
Pum even find me bum buckler at home. Pum X-file, pum unknown. Pum drag me, dragon. I'm addicted to pum. Yo, one again. Lion attack and a dog about. Give me from top. I mean I say yo, Lion attack and a dog about. From here the voice dance to the face. You know it's Beenie G, aka the Black Lion King. I mean I say yo, big up the Upnlive crew.
Yeah.
Big up the IG crew, big up the Facebook crew.
Alright.
This one called Pum Flow. If you don't know,
Get to know.
Alright, that one your name pum this.
Yeah.
Pum that.
Yeah.
Be a girl me got and them pum fat. No girl can't take me for no pum. Or not any girl this mama that get a pum. Girls, reggae, me like them a lot. Me and the girl exercise for a pum. I me no pum, me claffy, me no pum brat. Pum want beef kita. Alright, me own money take out a pum loan. Doctor say me sick pum syndrome. Me have a computer and me have a phone. Make a call, get pum dial tone. Pum the yard, pum the room. Pum even find me bum buckler at home. Pum X-file, pum unknown. Pum drag me in a pum. Listen up, me addicted to pum, a very good habit. Me see pum, me cocky jump like rabbit. Pum rifle, pum ratchet. So pum can't escape but me no stab it. Me for pum straight for 10 hours. Me no rate guy with a pum. On Valentine's Day, me give pum flowers. Pum get fuck with us money also. Lion
No,
attack.
see there?
And a dog back.
I pum flow that.
You see it? Alright, listen.
Yo, you know what the thing go? Yo, we are
course.
campaigning with the girl for 2021. You know, you know.
Straight.
A Beenie G said pum.
Of
Ladies,
Them come
I
the
your
pum boss.
Beenie
The pum
G.
boss.
You know what Beenie G stab out all of that for 2021. You know what thing go? All right.
She's right, alright.
One thing,
Two
man.
songs we just heard just now. The first song was
The first song was called Invertebrate.
okay. It's
Yeah.
a new song, yeah.
That's the latest project out, released that November.
Okay.
And it's been, getting pretty good reception. You know, for every music that I do, I've got the clean version as well.
Yes, which
That's
is
why
right.
I ask if I can,
Yeah, of course.
So, yeah.
This is right.
So we have the radio version out.
Yeah.
Getting lots of love, even from you guys as well. So I appreciate the love and the support.
Yes.
And then the other one was Zoom Flow, aka Pum Flow, which really put me on a different level this year. You know what I mean?
Recognition, of
So,
course.
yeah, man. So those are the latest two.
Yeah.